In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your account activities on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just stepping into the world of cryptocurrencies, keeping an eye on your account activities is an essential practice. By understanding how to navigate this process on CoinMarketCap, you can ensure your account's security and make well-informed decisions. To get started, first, head over to the CoinMarketCap website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the profile icon. It's typically represented by a small avatar or your existing profile picture if you've set one. Click on this icon and a menu should drop down, giving you several options related to your account. Now, from this drop-down menu, select the Settings option. By clicking on Settings, you'll be directed to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. It's worth taking a moment here to ensure all your information is up to date and that any ensuing options align with your needs. However, for today's focus, we'll keep moving forward. Once you're on the Settings page, locate and click on Account Security. This section is instrumental to your online safety on CoinMarketCap, serving as a hub where you can tweak security settings and check past account activities. A proactive approach here can help you safeguard your digital ventures. Pay close attention to the tools and options available. They are specifically designed to bolster your security posture. After entering the account security page, you'll find an option marked More. Click on it. When you click More, additional details about your account activities will unfold. Here, you can examine a log or list of your recent actions on the platform. This might include login attempts, any changes you've made to your account settings, and other relevant activities. Monitoring these logs regularly can be an effective way to detect anomalies early. If you ever notice suspicious activities, such as unfamiliar login attempts or changes you don't recall authorizing, it's crucial to act quickly. Change your password immediately and consider enabling additional security measures like two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. By following these steps, you'll have a strong understanding of exactly when and how your account is being accessed and ensure that everything looks as it should. Keeping tabs on your account activities not only helps in detecting potential threats early, but also strengthens your peace of mind as you navigate the complex yet exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Thank you for tuning in today on how to check your account activities on CoinMarketCap. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Stay safe and see you in the next